In this video, we're learning how we can run PHP files and seeing the output in a browser. To do this, we will write a simple Hello World program, we'll learn how to execute the program using a server, and then we'll access the output using a browser. So we'll start off by writing the simple Hello World program. Open up an editor of your choice. I'm going to choose Sublime Text. In Sublime, I'm going to save the file as a PHP file so that the text editor can recognize the PHP syntax. So I'm going to go to my directory that I created. I'll save it as hello.php. Save. Now, let's write our first PHP code. To do so, we need to know that PHP code needs to be written within a PHP code block. To write a PHP code block, you start the block by writing a left angle bracket, followed by a question mark, then PHP, then you end the code block by writing question mark, followed by a right hand bracket. What's cool with PHP is that it allows you to mix code from various languages in the same file. So if I, for example, wanted to write JavaScript within the PHP file, I would write a JavaScript block. This is a JavaScript block. Now, to output a string in PHP, we'll use echo. So within the PHP code block, we write echo, then pick a string of your choice. I'm going to write hello world. Terminate the statement using a colon. Save the file and minimize. All right, so now the next step is to run the file. In PHP, we need a server to run the file. This is because PHP is a server-side scripting language, meaning that the code is executed on the server and not in the user's browser, like for client-side languages. Fortunately, it is easy to start and run a development server on one's own machine using the terminal. Here's how you do it. Open up the terminal, go to the directory in which you have the PHP file. In my case, I have it in desktop/PHP. Then we start by writing PHP dash capitalized S, and then you write the address where you want the server to run. So I want it to run on my local machine. So I'm just going to write localhost followed by colon and a port number. A normal port number is the port number 8000, which is what I'm going to choose in this case. And there we go. The development server has started. Next, we're going to load the file onto the server by opening a browser. I'm going to open Firefox and write in the address that we just set the server to, which was localhost :8000, pasting that in there. Then you write slash and the file name. So in my case, it was hello.php. And there we go. That was the video. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the thumbs up button. Thank you.